Hey guys, it's Will of willsgarden.com. If you ever get a big wood chip delivery, they're usually about 30 yards and you got to move it. And my buddy was moving it with his little 25 horsepower John Deere. Great little machine, but the bucket's kind of small because they think you're going to use it for dirt and they don't want you to max out the machine. Well, obviously wood chips are a lot lighter than dirt, so you can go a little bit bigger. So we quickly fashioned him a bucket extension. We only had to drill 2 holes because there's already 2 in it for mounting different attachments, and then we just drilled these 2 holes. It's just some metal roofing and some metal for bracketing. We used unistruts. They're used for hanging heating air conditioning equipment from the ceiling. Real heavy duty stuff, but real lightweight. It's like that. Don't judge my welds. I'm not a welder. Feel free to comment on how horrible they are, but they do the job. I'm not going to talk over the next part of this video. I want you to hear the machine. Part of the reason we made it this way was weight. We don't want it to be too heavy because, you know, you only got about 900 pounds of lift with this machine only. And I didn't want to make a really heavy bucket that just eats up all that weight. The heavier the bucket, the less you can put into it. So just go ahead and watch the rest of this video. It's a real simple thing to do. We just notched it in there, put it there. Yeah, this is bending. Don't care. You know, doesn't matter.